Hi guys, welcome back to supplementary tutorial. In our lesson today, we want to consider this plane geometry on the board. We are looking for the missing angle, which is theta here and here alpha. And in plane geometry, we use linking angles to get the missing angles. So this angle and this angle will link us to this angle. But meanwhile, the both of them do not have relationship with the given angle. So let's create a relationship. This is a parallel line, this is a parallel line. So let's make the third parallel line to pass like this so that we can create an angle at this position and then an angle at this position. So if I am able to find this angle here and this angle here, we'll get the angle at this position. So recall in two parallel lines, this line now is parallel to this line. In two parallel lines, the interior opposite angles are supplementary. That means if you add two angles facing themselves in a parallel line, you obtain 180. So if I say A plus 110, I'll have 180 degrees. That means that the value of A is equal to 70 degrees, because this one will cross over. 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. Having gotten A, let us also get B. B is also supplementary to 130. So B plus 130 will give me 180. That means that B is equal to, this one will cross over. So 180 minus 130 will give me 50 degrees. So at this position, I have 50. At this position, I have 70 degrees. Now to get theta, add 1, 2, 3 angles on the straight line. Okay, if you add angles on a straight line, you get 180 degrees. So 70 degrees plus theta plus 50 degrees will give me 180 degrees. Add the both, we have 120. So theta is equal to 180 minus 120 degrees. That means my theta is equal to 60 degrees. I believe you understood it. Let's solve the second one. For the second one, this line and this line are parallel. Okay, let's find a way to find relationship between this and this. Let me create another parallel line. Okay, this line now is parallel to this line, thereby producing this transversal. This line becomes a transversal. It becomes a transversal. So look here and here. This is interior angles of parallel line. Look at this, and then you can extend this line. Discover that this and this are parallel lines. So the angle here and the angle here must be supplementary since they are interior angles of parallel line. So let's find the angle here. I'll simply say, let's label this x. I'll say 360 minus 260 will give me x. The reason is because of angle at a point. When you get angle around a circle, we obtain 360. That means my x will be equal to 100. X is 100 degree. So having found here as 100 degree, we can find here, label it y. So to get my y, I'll simply say y plus 100 will give me 180. That means y will be equal to 180 minus 100. I've got y as 80 degrees. And then having gotten y as 80 degrees, this is now 80 degrees. Having gotten y as 80 degrees, that makes the total angle at this position, total angle here, to be equal to 110. This is 110. 80 plus 30 will give 110. Now observe this line. You discover that it is parallel to this line also. Extend this. So the angle at this position and the angle at this position are interior angles of two parallel lines. Let me draw it out so that you see it. This line and this line are like this, and then this line forming a transversal like this. So this angle and this angle, they are supplementary. So how do I get this angle now? I'll say alpha plus this angle, which is 110, will give me 180. To get alpha, I'll say that alpha is equal to 180 minus 110. If I subtract, I'll have my alpha to be equal to 70 degrees. Thank you so much for coming on board. Please like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and my TikTok account. God bless you. Bye.